Now we're going to share with you about the Velocity Business Overview. So welcome to Velocity Global, where we will teach you the proper way of marketing, what you like to enjoy. Velocity Global is lifestyle, prosperity, and community. Lifestyle is the way we, enjoy and share to others lifestyle that also becomes our way of marketing, lifestyle marketing, so that we don't have to convince friends, family, tambay, mga taong ayaw makinig, hindi nyo kailangan kumbinsihin. Enjoy what you're passionate about, follow your mission. Your lifestyle will attract other people. Prosperity, spiritual prosperity, mental prosperity is also part. Health prosperity is also part of our foundation. And then, of course, the community that helps together, that informs the community together, that empowers and embrace um, unity together is the community that will allow you to expand your business and operate your business kahit natutulog ka. So welcome to Velocity Global. But bago tayo magpatuloy guys, konting disclaimer lang po. Velocity Global does not make any guarantees of future income or success. Results are based on individual efforts and successful membership enrollments to access Velocity Global offered services. Ayan. Sino ba si Velocity? Okay? About our leadership. Velocity is a travel membership company that uses a smart contract through the blockchain as a form of transaction. Ayan. I like to use it like this. Velocity is like a travel or membership club. Okay? Imbes na gumagamit tayo ng credit card or cash or bank deposit, in a way of receiving payments and paying commission, what we use is digital wallet. Okay? Gano'n kasimple lang. Okay? Now, led by a project team and founders advisory board with combined 300 years of experience in travel, business, blockchain, and smart contracts. So we have people that has a lot of experience. Just like any other company, lalo na pag bago you're formulating, I just want to disclose guys, we are a young company. We are a baby company on a formulation towards tawag nito, towards launching. Okay? So, there are some advices that we are taking for the people that has a lot of experience. So, be careful guys. Kanino kayo makikinig? Sa mga maraming experience o sa mga maraming hangin lang? All right, here we go. The perfect storm. We are the perfect storm. Bakit? Tulad ng isang bagyo, malakas ang hangin, malakas ang alon, malakas ang ulan, malakas. So that is considered as a perfect storm. But of course, we are just a perfect storm in terms of business. Bakit kamo? Because we are a travel and lifestyle business. We are only $8 trillion industry, second to the largest industry in the world. Guys, 8 trillion. My goodness. Pag patong-patungin mo ang dollar, mas mataas pa yung, ay yung dollar, tama, yung dollar. Mas mataas pa yung patong-patong na dollar sa Empire State Building ng New York. Kulang pa. Mas mataas pa. Okay? So, 8 trillion is a huge, huge industry. Ang maganda sa travel and lifestyle, guys, hindi nyo na kailangan kumbinsihin ng tao para mag-travel. Kahit walang pera, gusto mag-travel. Kaya nga namamasyal sa Luneta. Alright? Kami ng misis ko, nung hindi pa kami kumikita, ta-travel pa rin kami, lalo na during the time ng pandemic. Makalabas lang kami sa bahay. So, travel is a huge business, right? We are the first and only enhanced global revenue share. Ito pong global revenue share natin. Marami pong matutulungan nito to help, no, the financial crisis around the world, right? We have a powerful VIP members global community. You will feel important because of our VIP member in our community as you grow your business with Velocity. We have AI marketing tools, you know, we're launching our AI marketing tools. We're doing business in AR marketing tools. And the global artificial intelligence AI in marketing market size was valued at 12.64 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate according to the CAGR of 26.6 from 2023 to 2030. Huge market. So guys, no, ito hindi pa to nila launch ni ano ni Velocity, but I figure out how to use that AI viral audio or voice na very popular sa TikTok. So that gave me, man, so much marketing idea na pwedeng magamit na kahit yung mga tao mahiyain, magagamit nila itong mga gagawin nating content because of the AI. So imagine nyo, yun pa lang ang natutunan ko, hindi pa yun ino-offer ni ano, ni Velocity. What more if we start learning more AI marketing methods here in Velocity, okay? Yeah, kasi kinakabit pa natin yun sa back office natin, but that it will become part of our benefits, okay? All right, continuation. Blockchain technology and smart contract. The goal of this is to simplify business and trade between both anonymous and identified parties. Tayo po yung anonymous. When you created your digital wallet, you don't have to give your credit card to others. Person. Now you're dealing with identified parties. Most of other blockchain company out there is unidentified then. So you don't know you're doing business with, but we are identified, right? We show ourselves in public and the company pay taxes. So no middleman needed. Scales down the formality and cost associated with traditional method. So hindi na natin kailangan magbayad ng logistics, hindi na natin kailangan magbayad ng kung ano-ano pa mga department. That's why we can give back a huge portion of what we pay on our membership back to the community. It does not compromise on authenticity and credibility. So what we created is what people get when they pay for it. All right? So, blockchain technology, no? Pag-usapan natin, madali lang. But guys, huwag kayong matakot. Pag we talk about blockchain, we're not talking about investment. Well, let's disclose na tayo pala ay we are not an investment company. We are not a trading platform. We are not where you just put your money in, it will earn a dollar, 3%, I mean 1%, 3%, even 10%, whatever. Yeah, we're not that, guys. We're not that. We are not a oh, get in and do nothing. Ano pa ba? Those things that you always see regarding about blockchain and smart contract. We are not any of what we are is just simply a travel company that uses blockchain and technology, smart contract. But later on, guys, we're gonna be offering other products that uses blockchain and smart contracts in a way of making transaction. So if you think about this, guys, blockchain technology and smart contract is already been used by many people, successful people. Huge transaction like buying cars. Alam niyo ba na pwede kayong bumili ng Tesla, yung electric car, gamit ang Bitcoin, right? And then there are places here in Las Vegas, meron dito yung mga Bitcoin machine. Yeah. So now, I mean, people are those the digital currency is being used now. People are buying houses, buying, even the government is using the you can do your research on Google. Even the government's using um you know um digital currency, right? To make transactions. So the blockchain technology and smart contract industry is so huge, so huge. In North America, kung nasaan kami, um, we dominate the smart contracts market with a share of 31% in 2024. But imagine, guys, by 2030, we're gonna grow up 81.9% according to the U.S. Market, CAGR. So it's only 6 years. More and more people, companies are adapting into the blockchain and technology smart contract. At least dito, guys, hindi na tayo nahuhuli. You already know how to use it by the time it's already, used by many people. Okay? Here we go. Moving forward. Ano bang benefit niyan, coach? Kanina ka pa nag-aano, travel, travel. Okay, sige nga. Okay, you can pick on one of our packages, which we will discuss. Ang maganda rito sa mga packages na 'to, you pay in BNB, okay? In the form of BNB. No monthly requirements, no annual renewal. O, 'di ba? Walang monthly subscription, walang yearly fee, okay? O ano naman ako naman makukuha ko diyan, coach? You will have access to a travel membership, which we will discuss. You will access to lifestyle box, which I'm super excited about. Okay. Escape trips. I can't wait. I can't wait to have our first escape trips. You will access to GPT AI tool. Oh my gosh. Uh, the more you learn how to use AI tools, the more you will appreciate it. Marketing app that you can use. No, so as long as you have a cell phone, a smartphone, and an internet around the world, you can uh, manage or grow your velocity business if you decided to do the business. And of course, you have the ability learn how to earn daily and get paid instantly. Sino po ba ditong gustong matutunan how you can get paid instantly? Right? You will. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin, Coach, ano ba yung lifestyle box na yan? So, let your lifestyle box fuel your dream life. All right? So, with your lifestyle box, you can use it for your escape trips, escape nights, volunteerism. Hindi ko masabi itong ayos. Volunteerism trips. Ito yung ano, you volunteer for mission trips and stuff. So, not only you enjoy volunteer and then you're able to serve the community, you're also growing your business. You will have access to a travel portal credits. You will have a VIP experience, with our with our travel products. Events, you can get discounts on events like concerts and stuff, right? Marketing, you will also have access to yung magagamit mo rin yung lifestyle box mo for marketing systems. Okay, yung events also pag may mga convention tayo, magagamit mo to. Okay. And then of course, AI credits, no? So pagdating naman sa marketing systems, AI credits, no? Pwede nyo magamit ditong mga points natin dito for your AI credits. So, yung iba po, no, nung bata pa sila, nangangarap sila. Yung natatanda ko sa Pilipinas, paglaki ko gusto ko makarating sa New York, right? New York, United States. Hanggang sa lumaki na siya, nag-aral maigi, nakapagtapos, nakapag-asawa, nanganak ng 10. Hindi na hindi na nakaalis ng Pilipinas. So, sabi nila, "Anak, punta tayo sa New York, sa Cubao, sa Del Monte, New York." Pinaliit niya yung pangarap niya kasi hindi niya na ma-afford, no? So, but I mean, like, it sounds funny but it's real, no? There are times na ako nangangarap na makapunta sa ibang bansa or like outside the United States, but I could not afford. I could not afford. Kaya dito na lang kami sa tabi-tabi. Kung saan kayang abutin ng sasakyan, right? Eh, during that time, yung sasakyan ko pa nakakatakot i-drive, kaya hindi pa puwedeng malayo. Alright? So, but with us, pag-usapan natin yung escape trips. That's why I'm really, really excited. Kasi ako, guys, I like to travel. Travel is creating memories, having fun with your families, bonding with your family. And of course, at the same time, travel is lifestyle marketing, no? Yung iba puro puro flyers, join me, join me, join me. Nakaka-boring, nakakaburyong, no? Pero 'pag ginamitan mo ng lifestyle marketing ang business mo, promise ko, guys, you will look different, you will attract different people, okay? So, ano ba 'tong escape trips na 'to? So, sa kabilang salita, group travel, no? You travel in group, right? Where do you wanna go? You wanna go to, South America? You wanna go to the Middle East? Oh, 'yan. Gusto mo sa Alaska? Oh, kayo na lang diyan, malamig, ayoko sa Alaska. Sa Korea? Anyari sa'yo? Korea na lang, Korea, para makita natin BTS. At tsaka, dito sa ano, ah, ano ba 'to, Paris, Francois, okay. Bonjour, bonjour. Alright. Ah, ise ise buku para sale. Ice buko for sale. Alright. Curated trips with a host. Curated parang yung naka-design, no, with a host, no? Now you travel with the community and you can meet many people, happy people, and make friends, right? And expand your business. Make lifetime friends from all over the world. And this can be paid by your lifestyle box. Escape trips, ayan. Yung escape trips 'no, ito the same subject pa rin tayo. This is about 3 to 4 nights destination. Merong host, ayan, meron pang susundo sa inyo sa airport, mabuhay, ayan, sa Pilipinas, mabuhay. Alright? And then you will have a private check-in, a welcome reception. Meron pa kayong, siguro, coconut juice with umbrella o piña colada, okey. Baka sa ano meron pang ati-atihan. Hala, bira. Okay, okay. But you will be, welcome, you will have a welcome reception. And then, of course, we travel in groups. Now, because we travel in groups, we also get a discount on excursions, right? And then after you enjoy your stay in the escape trips, et cetera, um, mag-uuwian na tayo, eh, di siyempre meron tayong farewell party. Pero bawal po ang umiyak dahil magkikita-kita tayo muli. Alright? To our next escape trips. So ito mga escape nights, guys. These are like local one-night staycation, in your local area. So lalo na po kung maraming activity or maraming members do sa area ninyo, the leaders will communicate with Velocity para magamit natin yung ating escape nights, sa ating local area. This is where you can stay in a hotel, have a staycation night, invite some of your friends, have dinner and I don't know, whatever you want, maybe swim in the pool or something. And then this is where they will see that there are other Velocity members in that escape nights. So kung sa mga ano no, sa mga kung ikaw ay realtor, insurance agents, or meron kang sariling negosyo, or you're self-employed, you need to meet clients, you need to meet people. This could be a good place, no, to network as well. Yung iba, nag-a-attend sila ng breakfast meetings, tawag ng breakfast meeting, where you pay so much money and then every week attend ng meeting. So supposedly you're gonna be exchanging referrals, or maybe the person that you meet there could be a good fit to your business. So this could be a good value for anybody that has a business, no? Lalo na kung may travel business ka, no, you wanna meet other people so that they can, you can help them, book flights and stuff. So this can be paid by your lifestyle box as well, di ba? So dito, no, kaya ako blessed ako na nasa Las Vegas ako. Ang daming hotels dito. May experience ko na iba-ibang klaseng hotel. Alright, so yan, ma-enjoy po natin ang escape nights in our local area. So again, ChatGPT AI tools. Once this is all out, simply you will learn how to use GPT AI tools, with our membership trainings, no? So you will have a free app for everyone, so you can download this app to your phone. This will give you a free training, updates, notification, and more. Learn more with an in-depth training content from the Velocity Global team. So you will have direct access to trainings, receive push notification and alerts to stay up to date, access system training anywhere with the mobile app, stay plugged in to the Telegram rooms for how to's, how to do the business, how to do this, how to do TikTok, how to do that. All right. Access these exciting new resources all from the palm of your hand. All right. So, how do you download it? Pwede niyo pong screen tawag nito, scan itong QR code natin, or you can just simply go to this website, velocity.businessglue without the e.com. Ayan. So guys, kahit pala hindi ka magaling mag-spelling, hmm, pwede ka dito kay Velocity. All right, here we go. So Velocity and TripValley. Si Velocity po ay marketing division ni TripValley. TripValley has been around providing travel uh, to no travel incentives, no, sa mga business professionals, right? So Velocity is the marketing division created by TripValley, so we can bring the same value, even better, to the masses, to the public, and not only in the United States, internationally. Okay? So, ito po yung mga packages natin. Coach, ano ba yung mga packages nyo? Baka naman kakatakot yan, nakakalula. No, guys, everybody can start with the light $50 membership. Yan. And then we will discuss in details. No? The second package that you can have is the $500 VIP membership. And then the best value is the $2,000 max membership. All right? Light, $50 membership. Ano makukuha nyo? You will get one membership incentive activation. Meaning, should you decide that you wanted to refer friends and other people because enjoy ka doon sa value, no? Ito sa value ng ating Vacation Membership Club. This membership incentive activation can earn you money. So it's like an income profit center that you're paying for, right? So for $50, not only you're buying a business a vacation membership, you're also buying a business, but you still have to activate it. Okay. Now, if you don't want to do the business, that's fine. Also, it won't be a penalty for you. You will have an access to a light travel portal where bago ka mag-shop around sa ibang mga search engine, okay, a travel search engine, mag-shop around ka muna sa ating light travel portal because you might find hotels and accommodation for up to 35% savings, lower than the other hotels. Okay, you will have an access, itong pinaka-exciting guys, 7-night dream vacation certificate. Unlimited! Pwede kayong magpadala sa sarili nyo para magamit niyo. Katulad po namin, no? Ginamit, yan ang una-una kong inaral, no? Magamit ang aking vacation certificate. So, in the beginning of May and of April, nagamit po namin ito. Okay, nagamit po namin ito sa Tahiti Village here near me, no? Kasi nasa Las Vegas naman tayo. Normally, it would cost more than $200 plus tax and resort fee for for a night times 7. It will cost me more than I don't know, more than 1,500, no? But ako po, binayaran ko lang is $57 a night. All right? So $57 a night. So it's a true value. So ngayon si Coach Mel and then the other people are joining us, no? Are joining us. I mean are booking. No? So guys, kung pupunta kayo sa Las Vegas, I highly recommend you go to the Tahiti Village. Okay? So doon sa mga na pinamigay mo na certificate, when people activate the first 5, you will earn another commission. $3 commission on each of those, okay? You will have access to AI marketing tools, as we mentioned earlier, mobile marketing app, and access to Escape Trips. You will have one invitation when you have one membership, okay? Here we go. So, you will have, yan, AI, yan pala mga ano lang yan, pare-pareho lang din. Okay, so, we have a VIP 500 membership club, okay? For those of you that sees the value, Okay, so coach, okay pala yung membership incentive activation, no? Um, you can earn 5 times more than what you can earn with the basic membership or the light membership. But ito mas maganda guys. You will get a full service discounted travel portal. So ngayon, you can find savings up to 75%. Grabe, no? Ang laki ng savings natin compared to other search engine. Now you will also get discounts on shopping and entertainment portal. Uh, so you will also get a TVI Academy. TVI stands for Travel um, Trip Valley Incentive Academy. You will get 3 unlimited vacation incentives. So not only you will get 1 vacation incentives, which is the 7 nights, 8 days, 7 nights dream vacation, you will also get uh, access to uh, vacation certificate to luxury trips to Mexico. But guys, itong 8 days, 7 nights also has trips to Mexico that are like 7 days that are 4 stars, 4 stars hotels, no? Um, 50 commissionable. So do sa mga pinamigay mong mga travel certificate, pag inactivate yung first 50, you will earn commission. Again, you will get an access to Scape Trips, okay? Access to AI marketing tool, and then of course, mobile marketing app, okay? So moving forward, this is max 2,000, all right? You will get 20 membership incentive activation. So this will give you an ability to earn 20 times more than the light membership. But again, guys, everybody should start with just the light membership and feel and understand the system before you make any upgrades. Okay. Now, you will get the same full service discount benefit portal up to 75%. Ngayon, when you give away those travel certificates, the first 200 will earn you $3 each additional commission doon sa first 200 na mga certificates na ma-activate. Now, you will also get access yung 2 nights escape trips mo included na. So parang binayaran mo na yung escape trips mo. Kasi guys, when you go on vacation, no, subukan nyo, mag-shop around kayo. Magkano ang vacation? Just for the accommodation. Magkano for 7 days? O actually, no, ang escape nights natin mga 2 to 4 nights lang yan. Yan. So, access to AI marketing tools, mobile marketing app. Alright? So, yan po ang ating tatlong packages. And very, very soon, we're gonna come up with another packages that only cost $50. But man, this package will give you education and at the same time will allow you to earn with Velocity a lot faster and convenient. And then yung mga ma-earn mo doon, pwede mo ring magamit to start building your travel business. Okay, here we go. Travel, okay? Whether you like to travel, shop, or you like entertainment. Yan, kami misis ko mahilig kami sa entertainment eh. Ayan, here we go. So review na lang po natin yung platform noong premium natin, no, or nung ah, no, full travel portal. You will get access to more than 1,000 hotels and vacation, 7,000 global airlines, 2,000 curated resort tips, 30,000 car rental. So pag ipupuntahan mo, hindi ka aasa na makihatid-hatid lang sa mga kakilala. 150,000 activities, 2,200 golf course, no? All right? You will get 30,000 different cruise sailings. Yan. So kung mahilig kayo mag-cruise, naku, ma-enjoy nyo to. You have over 7 million event tickets at 18,000 ticket venues. So bago kayo manood, let's say gusto niyo manood ng concert, bago kayo pumunta sa Ticketmaster, tingnan niyo muna rito. Baka makatipid kayo. Ito pa maganda. Pwede niyong gamitin yung puntos ninyo sa lifestyle box ninyo dito sa platform natin. Okay, 10,000 movie theaters bago kayo manood ng sine, baka pwede kayong makabili dito at maka-discount pa kayo, okay? 200,000 local deals sa mga restaurants or mga other activities in your local area. Alright, makaka-discount kayo. Shopping portal to more than 1,000 top national brands and 110% price match guarantee. Ano ibig sabihin niyan, guys? So let's say nagsha-shop around ka dito sa, Velocity. Gusto niyong pumunta sa isang lugar, nakakita ka ng hotel na gusto mo puntahan. Pero yung nakita mo dito, eh, mas mataas kaysa doon sa public search engine, okay? Bakit gano'n? Well, you don't have to worry kasi kunin niyo lang yung information nung outside dito sa, Velocity, i-send niyo po doon sa ating, admin, ima-match nila kung magkano yung presyo doon sa other hotel at ibababa pa nila ng 10%. That's why we call it 110 price match guarantee. Price comparison, you wanna go luxury, punta ka sa New York, 'di ba? Yung iba nagpunta na lang sa Del Monte, Cubao, sa New York. Okay, eto punta ka sa New York 'no. This just for example, ako I'm not, I don't know, it's not even in my wildest dream to spend this much for accommodation. Okay, so Peninsula, but some people they like to spend money 'no. But so if they have money, they still want to save money. Punta ka sa Peninsula, New York. Alright, if you go to bookings.com, normally or Expedia, hotels, cheap tickets, Priceline, Travelocity, Orbitz, or Hotwire. All these public search engine, most of the time, they are owned by one company or two companies. Kaya makita niyo yung presyo nila wala masyadong pinagkaiba kasi they're controlling the price. Kaya akala mo magkakakompetensya sila, but they're not. They're controlling the price. But because we don't belong to that company, we can offer much more, right? So if you go to Peninsula New York, it will cost you for 7 nights, right? This much with the other search engines. For us, it will cost you about 52%, no? Depende yan sa ano, so anong months or days ka pupunta do'n. But generally, you will find these kinds of savings. So, in this example, nung nag-search yung gumagawa nitong presentation, 3,078 compared to 6,447. That is about 3,369 savings. Lumalabas na 440 average night doon sa accommodation niya. But let's go somewhere more conservative. McCarran Hotel and Pool, no? 7 days. You will end up spending 2,212, right? But sa atin, nakatipid ka ng more than 1,120. Ayan. Because you will end up with just $156 average per night. This is with the tax already. Okay? So moving forward. Oh, ito pa maganda guys. When you use this, you will earn credits. Redeem, parang mileage sa eroplano, no? So, naiipon 'yun, then 'pag naipon yung mga ano tawag dito, yung mga points na 'yun, puwede mo na naman magamit, okey? Puwede mo na naman magamit 'yun for other travel needs doon sa portal mo. There are 3 different incentive certificates you can choose from. Sa light membership mo, ito ka lang. Doon sa VIP at saka Max, meron kang dalawang other certificates na puwedeng gamitin o ipamigay. Okay, example, if you go to use if you use one of our luxury portal, 7 nights in Mexico, okay? Travel certificates, activation, okay. If you would go to Vidanta, you go to this website, guys, Vidanta. Makita nyo, it will cost you about $750 per night. No? Times 7 nights will cost you about $4,550. This is luxury stay, ha? So, a travel certificate, sa atin, you only pay $24.95 to activate the travel certificate and pay on tax on room for $475. That's 89% savings. So, anong magagawa nyo doon sa natipid nyo? Pambili nyo ng eroplano, okay? Pangbayad nyo ng pagkain, and other activities. Baka may sobra ka pa. O, di tabi mo na. Okay? So, you can visit the Puerto Pañesco, Riviera Maya, Puerto Vallarta, Nuevo Vallarta, Acapulco, Mazatlan, or Cancun. Okay? Now, yung 7 nights, ito, available ito dun sa light package, no? Um, you can go to like Avani. And by the way, guys, we have so much um Mexico trips on the 7 night dream vacation. 7 night dream vacation natin ano. So let's go back to Avani no. Malapit to Indonesia, nasa ibaba lang ng Pilipinas. No, punta ka lang sa Indonesia, Bali Resort to. Um you in, you will end up paying $274 per night times 7 nights, 1,918 if you go directly to Avani, right? But with us, pag meron kang a travel certificate, all you need to do is just pay that $19.95 para magkaroon ka ng password sa booking website, and you just have to pay the tax on room, 399. So i-combine nyo itong dalawang expense ninyo, roughly around 450, less than $500, compare to close to $2,000 for 7 nights. Again, here you will save around 79% doon sa initial cost mo kung wala kang vacation certificate. Okay? So, if it makes sense to you, then get back to the person that invited you. Baka gusto nyo lang mag-travel. Subukan nyo. Humingi kayo ng vacation certificate sa taong nag-invite sa inyo. Okay? Kung ikaw naman ay isang affiliate, mag-download ka na, kumuha ka na ng certificate para maaral mo papaano gamitin ang ating mga portal, no? Para when time is right, ready ka na magbakasyon, alam mo na gamitin. So, dito po, di ba sabi ko kanina, do sa light membership natin, not only you're paying for the vacation membership, you can also have the ability to earn money. But in order for you to earn money, you have to be a qualified affiliate. Nako, qualify kaya ako diyan? Wala akong masyado experience. Hindi, okay lang guys. Basta i-share nyo lang yung experience ninyo at mga tao. Pag nakita nila, wow, pa-travel-travel na lang ito. Akala nila napakamahal ng travel. Hindi guys. You will attract people. No? Mag-refer ka. O first of all, if you wanted to become an affiliate, register ka muna with the KYC. Ano yung KYC? Know your client. So this time, nung una kasi, anonymous ka. Now that you're gonna get paid by the company wants to know who you are. You're not a robot, you're not a scammer or anything, right? So this is very important. Okay? Now, second is, kailangan mo mag-refer ng 3 members. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad to join the business or anything kasi bayad na yun eh. Kailangan mo lang mag-refer ng 3. Hindi mo na kailangan bilhin yung business 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 packs or distributor. Hindi mo na kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera. Alright? So dito mag-refer ka lang ng 3. Now you can be qualified, considered to be qualified as an affiliate. But you still have to fill out the you still have to complete the compliance checklist that you're going to agree that you're not going to promote Velocity as a trading platform, crypto investment, because we are not an investment company. That's what happened when other people promote this business the wrong way, right? All right. So, guys, this is not where you join a business and do nothing and wants to be rich. No, this is not a get rich. This is a real travel business. Now, kung sabi, Coach, wala naman ako hilig sa travel, baka hindi itong negosyo para sa'yo. But there's other products later on, no? Papakita namin sa inyo. Okay? So, guys, don't say towards the end na wala kaming pakialam sa travel, sumali kayo sa travel business para kayong sasali sa para kayong magsisimula ng restaurant pero wala kayong balak magpakain ng tao. Okay. Okay. Gusto niyo gusto niyo magsimula ng sarili ninyong barbershop pero ayaw niyo maggupit ng buhok. So it don't make any sense. This is a travel business. Okay? If travel makes sense to you, then you do the travel business. Okay? So, ayan, moving forward. Paano tayo kikita? Ano ka na qualified ka na. 4 ways to earn, madali lang. Direct referral. You get paid instantly. Every day ginagawa ko 'to, guys. Ang ginagawa ko lang, nagpo-post ako sa TikTok, nagpo-post ako sa Facebook ko. Basta araw-araw ka nakikita ng mga tao, guys. Imposible. Walang magtatanong. Pero 'pag ika'y pasulpot-sulpot, 'pag may konting problema, tumitiklop, anong klaseng negosyante ka, okay? Kailangan mo, the moment you decide to do a business, that you decide that you're going to win, that you're not going to stop until you become successful. Ang mga madalas sa tao sumasali sa ganitong klaseng negosyo is very affordable. It's so easy for them to quit when things get tough, right? But guys, follow what we do, you will get the result. Ngayon, you will get direct referral bonus. Hanggang 2 tiers lang kasi hindi po tayo network marketing, hindi tayo MLM. We are affiliate marketing. Okay? So, sponsor match 2 tiers. Meaning, pag kumikita na yung mga na-refer mo, every time they earn money from their global revenue shares, you will earn a matching bonus. Hindi lang doon sa na-refer mo, doon sa na-refer niya. So, there's a leverage. So, maganda rito guys, magparami ka ng direct referral because number one, that pays you instantly. All right? And then every time they make money that goes into their wallet, that pays you instantly. Okay? Now, meron pa tayong tinatawag na global revenue share. But guys, this is not the only way. So if you're gonna get into the program just wanting to make money on a global revenue share, kailangan mahaba pasensya mo. Kasi the company brings back a portion of the income to the community. So this is a community-based type of business. So in order for you to leverage, you have to participate. Okay? So kaya dito makakapagtulungan tayo, no? Yung effort ng iba tulong sa iyo pero kailangan mag-ambag ka rin ng effort. Okay? Here we go. Um so dito sa Global Revenue Share, you can earn up to 50% claim rewards that goes to your wallet and 50% that goes to your lifestyle box. Na pinag-usapan na natin gaano kaganda yung lifestyle box. So, ma-enjoy niyo, ma-experience niyo, ma-appreciate niyo pag naintindihan niyo yung lifestyle box. Okay, magkano bang kikitain sa direct referral? When you sponsor a person that pays that light membership, $50 BNB, you will earn $7.50. Pag nag-refer yung ni-refer mo, that person will earn $2.50 and you will earn $2.50. Eh paano coach? Coach, nagustuhan nung kaibigan ko, nag-upgrade. Eh di meron ka na naman $37.50. Yung kakilala niya nag-upgrade din, meron kang $12.50. All right? That goes the same if they upgraded with the 2,000 max. But guys, dito sa negosyo na to, walang pilitan. Gawin mo kung it makes sense to you. Kung ayaw mo, wag. Okay? So, sponsors match, no? Again, tulad ng sabi namin kanina, you will earn a global revenue share and kung ano yung kinikita mo doon, you will earn on a 2-tier claim match when your personal claims rewards, right? So sa tier 1 mo, do sa mga direct referral mo, right, you can earn up to 5% pag nagwi-withdraw yan, napupunta sa wallet nila, kung dalawa lang ang na-refer mo. But remember, you're not fully qualified if you don't bring in 3. Then why not go 3? Sa tatlo, you will earn 15% sponsored global revenue share. Doon sa second tier mo, you will earn 10% global revenue share. Okay? So, ganito example niya. Guys, I want to emphasize on this. Lalo na kung baguhan kayo at kayo mga existent from phase 1 to phase 2, no? Ang global revenue share, guys, extra bonus yan sa atin. Tayo talaga nababayaran, kumikita from our effort on direct referral. That's why we are called affiliate marketers. Our job is to help the company promote the company's product, no? So hindi po ito investment program, okay? So, meaning there's certain percent that goes to the direct referrals and certain percent that goes into what we call this global revenue share. This is what we call the commission pool, right? Para tong pool, tawag nito, like, tawag nito, pool of revenue, no? But meron po tayong tinatawag na smart contracts na there's certain amount of sales has to come in order for the contract, the engine will release commission. So, if we are in the lower zone, then we will pay, I mean, not will pay, less percentage will go to your wallet, more percentage will go to your lifestyle box. But at a situation where it's very, very low, right? Very, very low, at mahina ang pasok ng negosyo, now the community has to work together. Because remember, guys, this is extra. This is extra from top of what we earn. What we earn instantly is from our direct efforts. This is just extra bonus for us. All right? So now, assuming that you already have $300 reward available to your claim, no? Assuming we are all green, kung susundin natin yung ano ng strategy ng grupo natin, and of course, we help each other to stay on the green zone, right? You have $300 global revenue share. Pag kilik mo yan, okay, 50%, which is 150, will go to your wallet. 50% will go to your lifestyle box. Okay? Tapos, yung nag-sponsor sa'yo will earn 15% of what goes to your wallet, which is $22.50. And then $15 goes into your sponsors, right? So the percentage adjusts based on global revenue share. Global revenue share can be claimed when you global revenue share of $100, right? Reach more than $100, right? Here we go. So, ang maganda rito, pag nag-green tayo, every 3 days pwede ka mag-claim. Pas lampas na 100. So, kailangan magtulungan tayo dito, no? So, now, how does the revenue share works, right? Kapag naka-refer ka ng tatlo, you don't need to wait for these numbers to complete para mabayaran ka sa global revenue share mo. When you refer 3 people, this will unlock your manager, area manager, and director's manager's pay, right? So you can start accumulating earnings of $5.12. So it takes about 50 to 60 days, okay? Para makumpleto yung 223. Biruin mo, nilabas mo $50. So guys, at the moment, we just turn on our phase 2. So we're cranking this up. Kumbaga sa engine, kailangan natin lagyan ng gasolina. So once the engine is cranking, then we will be back in the green zone. Okay? So, but for now, you can earn every day instantly promoting the the uh the 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 packages, the vacation. So, medyo may naantok ako. Okay, vacation packages, right? So, don't focus on promoting the global revenue share. Okay, mahirapan kayo diyan. Focus nyo yung value nung ano. Then they will understand the global revenue share, right? So, but the global revenue share is a big deal. All right? It's a big deal kasi ito lang yung company na alam ko, no, na when somebody becomes a member after you, na makakatulong sa iyo para ma-reach mo yung rank mo so that you can earn more on the global revenue share. So everybody that comes after you can become a membership count after you. So ibig sabihin, yung mga taong nauna sa iyo, top earner o hindi, when they help the community of attract more members, those member that comes after you will become a benefit for you. And yung mga nauuna, makakatulong sa mga nahuhuli, yung mga nahuhuli mauuna do'n sa mga nahuli, 'di ba? Sa mga nauna. Okay, so ito po lifestyle box, 'no? So kunyari kumita ka ng 223 sa lifestyle box mo, 'no, 50% goes to your wallet and 50% will go to your lifestyle box na-establish na po natin papaano magagamit yung lifestyle box. Right now po, 'no, where a lot of programming happening in the back end, 'no? So we just launched our phase 2. But guys, I want to remind you that we are not on a full launch. We are still on pre-launch. Meron talaga kayong option na makinig lang ngayon and then make your decision when you are already on the launch. But smart business people know when to position. Do you want to position in the front or in the end? Okay? Or in the middle? Okay, so anyway, moving forward, ito sa mga ambisyoso katulad ni Coach Sal, Coach Kim, Coach Rose, Coach Mary Ann's, sinabi ko Mary Ann's kasi dalawa yung tokayo dito na Mary Ann. If you sponsor more people or personal requirement, 21, no, 21, now it will unlock your senior director payment, four tiers. So, pag umabot ng 100,000 yung membership count, so far I have 71,000 membership count. Pag umabot ng 100,000, naka-unlock na ako kasi I sponsored close to 90 already. All right? Then I will get paid $6.82 for 50 days. So may nakaabang na payment na naman kay Coach Sal. Ngayon, kapag isa sa executive tier ko, naka-unlock na rin 'yon. So may 500,000 pag umabot ng $500 500 membership count, meron na naman akong 822. So guys, as you can see, these are money waiting for you. But sabi niya, "Coach, paano mababayaran ang company?" Biruin niyo ang daming membership niyan, no? Ang daming membership niyan. Pero guys, bago kayo mag-participate para you will earn from the pool, then you have to contribute. Kaya dito gustong-gusto ko 'tong ginawa ng company. Para maabot ko yung global chairman, kailangan ko maka-sponsor ng 100 personal. Ibig sabihin niyan, mag-ambag ako ng effort sa global revenue share ng 100 people. Hindi ako yung Mr. Top earner, Mr. Top distributor, 10 lang, 3 lang yung shinare ko tapos nakaabang na lang ako sa effort ng maraming tao. No, dito lahat tayo tulong-tulong, okay? So, ayan, moving forward. So, do you remember yung mga vacation incentive na pinimigay ninyo? Pag inactivate yung mga tao yan, meron kang additional $3. Kung light members ka, then meron kang $15. Kung nasa VIP ka, you will have, ano ba, 20 or something, $60. Right? Kapag nando ka sa VIP Max, meron kang earn up to 240, 600 kasi 200 times 3, 600. Okay? So, now, yan po, napakasimple ng ating compensation plan. Direct referral, matching bonus, global revenue share, etc. The first 1,000 people that will refer 21 will be considered Founders Club. So there's about, I don't know, 250 to 300 founders na tayo ngayon. As a founders, you will have the founders only trips. You'll be invited. Okay. Dito nyo the company will share your future plans and etc. Uh, um, and you will enjoy the exclusive trips just for the founders. You will get special seating at the events. Pag may mga convention tayo, nasa harap ka. You're not in the back. Okay. Founder spin. Okay. You will be recognized as one of the founders. As we grow in millions, right? People will appreciate you because you and I are the few people, all right, that build this business. All right. Founders NFT for gallery. This is like digital art. It's like trophy na later on, it will have high value. Okay. Priority support and liaison. All right. So pag meron kang mga plans and stuff to go travel, you will have the priority. They can help you plan and stuff, right? Um, Ayan po, meron po tayong, if you join our business, we have support and community. We have the Global Chairman Guide every Saturday. Si Global Master Ali Modawi does that. Ako po, very soon, makakaroon din po tayo ng Tagalog version po nun. Ano? Live onboarding session, meron po tayo yan. Global Chairman Guide, tinuturo po yan. Every week yan. Meron po tayong one team, one dream, one system, success system. Isang grupo lang po tayo. Walang upline, walang sidelines. Right? Tulong-tulong po tayo. Alright? So, stay connected. Obligasyon nyo to stay connected. Alright? Mag-join po kayo sa ating Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, whichever you prefer. But stay connected. Okay? So that you know what's the latest update with the company. So, hindi po yung pasumput-sumput lang, tapos hindi nyo naintindihan, magrereklamo kayo. Hindi. No, no. Stay connected. If you want to be successful in anything, communication is key. Okay? So, get a MetaMask, right? Get a SafePal, get a Token Pockets, and Trust Wallet. Ayan. So, get back to the person that invited you and join now. Ayan. You can join now on pre-launch or you can join later, right? It's really up to you. But here's my expectation to people. If you want to join now, I expect that you have the pioneer mindset, the visionary. You have you're a visionary, and at the same time, you have some leadership. Kasi dito po, we're building a huge business here. We're building a multi-million dollar business. Okay? So meaning, if there are things that needs to be done and changed, then we have to learn those changes. All right? So kung gusto niyo yung perfect na si Velocity, later on na po kayo sumali. Okay? So, huwag niyo lang po kami kalilimutan. Baka hindi namin kayo ma-recruit. Hindi namin kasi hahabulin. Kasi kayo, I mean, you just do your best na maalala nyo kami para matulungan namin kayo. But other than that, this is Coach Saljamuan and I am done with my presentation.